try it out. He said that things will change.